buddies. So this state park is awesome. I saw a couple armadillos last night, and then on this hike today I saw a black racer and a bunch of turtles, a bunch of birds, some red-headed woodpeckers, which are always really cool. And yeah, what a gem. My expectations weren't, I mean, I figured it'd be pretty, but yeah, it was way cooler than I thought. So super glad that I checked this out. When I get done with this, I'm gonna go throw on a bathing suit and then go to this place in Siesta Key called the Point of Rocks and hopefully do some snorkeling. We'll see. I don't know how, you know, rough the water is today. And I've never been, so we'll see, but from what I've seen on like YouTube videos, it looks really cool. So fingers crossed. I just spent like the last 5.5 miles like specifically looking for gators to try and get pictures of, and didn't have any luck. I went down like every single little bank, and the last like maybe, I don't know, 300 feet back, I saw 2, which is great, and I'm super stoked. It's just funny how sometimes wildlife, when you least expect it, it was around like the most people, and it's just funny. This park is really cool. I highly recommend it. 10 out of 10.